What are GitHub Actions?
GitHub Actions is a feature within GitHub that lets you automate steps in your software development workflow. With GitHub Actions, you can automatically build, test, and deploy your code right from your repository. These automated tasks are triggered by events like code pushes, pull requests, or schedule timers, helping developers save time and avoid manual mistakes.
How workflows automate tasks.
A workflow in GitHub Actions is a set of automated steps written in YAML files stored in your repository. Each workflow is made up of one or more jobs, which run specific tasks like installing dependencies, compiling code, or running tests. You can customize workflows for different events, ensuring your project is always up to date and error-free.
Common use cases.
Build automation compiles your project code every time you make changes. Testing automation checks your code with unit or integration tests to catch errors early. Deployment automation can push your updates to servers or cloud services automatically. These steps can all be handled by GitHub Actions, streamlining your development process and improving software quality.
Getting started with your first workflow.
To create your first workflow, add a YAML file in the .github/workflows folder of your repository. You can either write one yourself or use pre-built templates. Specify the triggers, such as push or pull request, define your jobs and steps, and commit the file. GitHub will then run the workflow every time the trigger event occurs.
Benefits of automating with GitHub Actions.
Automating with GitHub Actions saves time, reduces errors, and creates a consistent process for building, testing, and deploying code. Teams can collaborate more easily, catch problems earlier, and deliver updates faster. With simple configuration and powerful flexibility, GitHub Actions helps developers focus more on innovating and less on repetitive tasks.